Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I have a very good announcement for me today. Come to me as I journeyed to the way to Canada about this of this on bucket list for a while now, and today is the day. So let's try and reach safe and sound. So anyway, yeah, so they on my way. I got the airport and thing. Because them is me, them follow me and thing, and they know say yo, is me going off, is me guys? Yes, so now basically reach at the roundabout section past the airport. Yes, so then basically right so a sightseeing for the helicopter for land, and the helicopter they were land in time, so basically we have to still move off soon. They watch helicopter at land, but they never get full and thing, so is me? So yeah. Anyway, on the journey going to the airport, as you can see, right that's all. As you them still have fast, so they look on the helicopter and thing, but then must maybe basically late already, so I got the airport and check in how long now I'm there, so I'm basically late. But anyway, move on to the journey. So them still there, drive so much helicopter and things said so yeah man. But anyway, moving on. I passed them local small bird, yeah, playing and thing. So yeah, we basically reach the airport area, so and thing, and all them do them thing. So and they go, so yeah, that's yes so, and them do them thing, and we have to let off for the next part, so basically that driver going, so right part right, so yeah, and still have one challenge, and that's me right there. You know, the boy we make a move, and it's been a long journey coming there. So anyway, I saw me take out suitcase out the car, and go out myself and did talk to my cousin a little bit, and you kind of feel weird doing that, travel and thing, and so you kind of feel weird, but you have to brave up and do my thing, me? So yes or no, me I get the suitcase out of the car, I follow with the camera, so we did a talk and me? So yes or no, me that try move push suitcase and made phone. Basically jump over my head, so me have to just fix it back and I just walk, me? So yeah man, so yes or no, me just did that one, do my thing, yes or and thing. But anyway, in a sort of the airport section, and they have to check in, and we have a suitcase and they are checking now to go to right there, so yeah, with that video, so could have the camera up, so people try to make people say yo, no, they nobody like camera in the face. So I kind of hold on the camera a little bit, so with the suitcase and things, so yeah, now if you do that and thing, so you don't know what I want, isn't it? Yes, I know, me basically pass the checkpoint, and like we already did the upscotch thing, and I look on the pavement, you see playing the man thing. But so the bird never did come yet, so the bird is still never knew we are coming from over, so we just get that so and follow them people there and things, so yeah man. So we follow right, just go through the passage, so and I see what I go on. We did take a picture of themselves, so I'm playing out there, so let's see how I want. So we follow the passage and follow the journey say there, so we still have one chat the road, see me go on and pass a local section here, so yeah man, is it, so yeah, you can't have up the camera right, so we have to just go on do what me I do, you see me, yeah, so that is that right there, so guys, could shine the camera upon the people, and so I hold the camera down and I'm going down me I do so you can done, so I go right, so you better have with a Pepsi upon him suitcase, so yeah, so now me I see what I go and see the runaway and everything right, so you see me, yeah man, still can't touch on the camera right there, so still see me, so you can see, you don't see what I go on already, so yeah man. Yeah, so yeah man, you can continue going and watch anything silent for now. You can continue going and watch the video and go and enjoy the vlog and thing for the time being. And don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe so we can see more adventure like this one. When I saw I went at the gate them each of the airplane them who go different country and all of that. So yeah, that is that right there. So so basically that one them thing I just saw, that's me I tell them. So you can go and watch and go and enjoy the video, you see me guys? Yeah man. Alright, yeah, so I went time actually that board go up on the airplane there, so I like I try look if you see the airplane I'm actually board at the time. So this our Spirit airline that over there, so I just plane them on the runway until they can see right there. So it's the only airline that we don't see the name of that airline there, but that look like Cuba that I go. And thing, but we don't go up on the airline, we didn't call it Air Canada. So the airline there basically a wait time and for boat to go up on right, that's all. As you can see. It's my boat. You don't know from here, that's how I try catch as much video footage as possible, but you don't know me can't do out the camera and people you must say you may record it, so kind of hold on the camera a little bit, yeah, so you see me, so yeah man, as you can see I just see you playing the up and that's all. I just saw you can see the nose like that, that's all. Yeah, so yeah man, that's that right there, so and they go, you know guys, and they go. Can don't go and watch, I just want to say but in a line of way to go on the airplane, isn't it? So just go and watch the video and go and enjoy. Don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe, isn't me guys? Yeah man. Anyway guys, yeah, so how me step foot on the airplane for the first time, and yeah, just saw them at welcome the passenger them onto the aircraft and thing. I made just I talked to the flight attendant them we work on the plane, and yes I know me I try find a which part my seat there. If you go sit down and hold a seat, but we kind of vex it because we never get no window seat if actually you know, get a better view, better vlog. You see me? So the right so in a line I walk go down for try board to get me seat to sit down, you see me, so yeah, that's how you know. That's a look, but being night and thing, we just said to myself, so, you know what, actually that tell myself say want this to just come up quick and over with quick as possible, you see me, so you know, I can't have the camera up in nobody's face because you don't know, so the flight attendant them did it, you can't do record on the plane, so yeah, if you just, you see me, better that this was my seat, so I give me my seat, yes or no? Basically land in a Canada just so I get this one I just say, you see me, look, that's me right there. Yeah boy, I just so, you know, exhausted and tired, 4-hour flight dog, yo, that long brother, you see me, me that know that so, feel exhausted on my face, exhausted on my face actually, and things, you know, so yeah, and things, yes, I know, me basically come off of the airplane and walk through Toronto International Airport, which land in Canada. That's when I go towards it to find immigration section. Is a big place, nice place and thing, you see me guys, so we just walk up and down and look, well, never know me I go to just follow the crowd because it must be a process to go through and all of that, you see me, so yeah, it's a the Freedom Airport. as you can see. Because we can't do about the camera and in the field actually in the people face, so you have to kind of hold it down a little bit, which we've been mentioned before. Everybody we have about them business and people who go about different places and all that, so yeah. So that's that idea, isn't it? So yeah, I go down with a look you kind of just something they whatever something your name, go up on it. Go up on it and thing, and then go up there, the stairs, go way up. But you make it two way. You don't want to experience a party, so you're trying to open a party, isn't it? Yeah man, so that's that and thing. Going up and thing, guys, yeah. As you know, so me actually exit right there, so and I walk I go down now to find where immigration there now. I didn't even know me I walk actually. Just did I walk. Yes, I mean? I just did I walk. So yeah guys, land Canada now, so yeah man, just touch out of the airport and I tell you say yes, so you're a piece of breeze, a piece of cool. Piece of cool slap me the man, I tell you say temperature and normal. Now the Jamaica this me know say me know that definite not the Jamaica anymore. You know, a different place. You know the bridge and the building man. You know you see the skyscraper them and all of them things. There's some anti-air so you know the car and I go towards the apartment there. I mean I walk and just go and look at me guys. Yeah man, the view and the road them and the smell and everything. But me realize everybody who own a car in them country and if I drive most of the vehicle them have, you see me? Some big bridge down all them something there. You see me? Yeah. And we're going towards the apartment so and think about me I tell you say yo that do with it cool yo. I say cool. You see me? Then I tell you I drive and I bring my home and things so see the apartment and everything and I don't know. I'm going to see what go on and things. So yeah, then there's some building in there, view and them somewhere, you see me. But yeah guys, this is Canada guys, you see me. Yeah man, this is Canada, you see me, so you better just go on down here, you see me. Yeah man, and the experience. That's one thing I like in Canada, the coolness. These are the neighborhood of them basically living and thing, you see me, so yeah. So basically about for each and thing. So it's the apartment and thing, isn't it? So yeah man, I tell you, it was a actual great experience and